So welcome back my channel, The Learning Destinations. I'm your host Avinash, and today's topic is Amazon DynamoDB. The main motto to conduct this tutorial is I can show you that how you can create the table as well as how you can put the values inside the items. The item can be created inside the tables. The whole motto of this tutorial is that basically how you can handle the Amazon DynamoDB. So Amazon DynamoDB is being provided by the AWS and it is a fully managed services. Then what is the meaning of fully managed services, guys? The fully managed services, it means that all the actions, it means the version upgrade, it means backup, everything will be taken care by the Amazon. You don't need to worry about anything and you can sleep peacefully. And that is the meaning of fully managed services. So now without any further delay, let's start the practical session. This session is thoroughly deal with the practical sessions and it will be very quick. So in order to create the Amazon DynamoDB, you need to search here under the sections DynamoDB. You need to create here. And then from here, you need to create the table. And let's suppose that I'm going to give the table name is DevOps. And here the partition key first, I'm putting the value employee. And second value is role. Let's create the table. Okay, so now you can see that it is under status is under the creating and it will take around 1 or 2 minutes maximum. It should not take more than that and it should be active. So here if the table is active, now I'm going inside and now I have to create the items. So there is a two ways. One, if you go here, you can select from the action items, create items, you can do like that, or you can go directly here, the items, you can select here the DevOps and say create item. And here I'm going to add one more attribute, department. I say the name is department. Okay. And okay, so let's say the employee is Avinash and role is architect and department is, I say, cloud management. That's all, guys. You can say now create items. So you can see now that how it is entering the value, how it is easy to entering the value inside the Amazon DynamoDB. As well as it is appearing on the right hand side, the employee's value is Avinash, role is architect and department is cloud management. So overall process is quite simple and easy. It's like a spoon feeding, the entering the value inside the DynamoDB. And there are two ways to perform the same actions. One, you can do it through the Amazon CLI, the command line interface. The second one is that you can do it through the Amazon console, which I have just now performed. So I would recommend you just go there, create some table, put the value inside the item and play with it. If you have any questions, you can write me in the comment sections. Any suggestions, feedback, you can always write me. It is always welcome. So that's all for this tutorial, guys. I hope you really enjoyed it. And if you like my sessions, please don't forget to subscribe my channel as well as share it with your friends and colleagues. I will see you in my next tutorial. Till the time, bye bye. Thank you so much for watching this. You have a good day.